Look, they have their contact information on their website. You could call them, you could send them an email, and you could say, hey, I've just published this website. Hey everybody, in this video, I'm gonna show you my favorite foot in the door strategy where I got paid $500 in the very beginning to create these simple websites. That's right, so when I was first getting started making money online, I was getting paid $500 per site that I created. I then graduated to making $1,000 per site, and now I make anywhere from $3,500 to $5,000 per site just like this that I make. Now previously, I would have to create all these websites in WordPress, which isn't a make or break thing. However, if you're somebody that doesn't have a technical skill set or you don't know how to do this, it could take a long time for you to learn how to do it. Now, what I'm excited to share with you today is a new platform that is out there. It's called GrooveFunnels, and it allows somebody that doesn't have a technical skill set to very easily create websites. And I'm gonna show you in this video my 3-step process for finding a website, rebuilding a website, and talking to the business owner and reaching out to getting the money for building that website. So I explained the whole foot in the door strategy in this video. It's very simple. If you think that's something that you can make money with, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell notification below the video, because I'm gonna continue to share foot in the door strategies on how I've been making money online and how I've been teaching people how to make money online. And you can do the same as well, as long as you listen carefully and follow my directions very closely. So let's get into the strategy on how we're doing this now. Okay, so I want to show you the easiest way to start making some money with this, because the tool and the software, GroovePages, right now obviously it's free. You have a chance to get a free account. That means you can build 3 websites that you can use to make money and then pay for an upgraded account if you want, or just have 3 websites. I mean, it could be for yourself, someone in your family, doesn't really matter. However, here is a great way to get your foot in the door with a business and make some money with this. So there are so many businesses online right now that have horrible, outdated websites. So if I just come to Google and I do a search, roofer Maui, I live in Maui, I'm going to click on the map section. I'm going to try to identify a business that I think has a poor quality website, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to very quickly rebuild it in Groove and then reach out to them and say, hey, we all know your website, it doesn't look very good. Look at this website I've already built for you. You can have it $500, $1,000. I mean, that foot in the door, that value proposition to whoever is on the receiving end of that email is amazing, right? As soon as they get your email and they look at this website and they see all of their information on it, they're like, wow, it's so much better than mine. It's a no-brainer. So that's the strategy. It's a foot in the door strategy. And once you have done that and gone through this foot in the door strategy with that prospect, now they know who you are. Now they trust you, and you can do other things for them, other problems that you can solve for them online and make money in the process. So let's just go through this map section a little bit and see if we can find a business that has a crappy website. So Tops Roofing, let's see. Okay, this is pretty bad, but I think there could be worse. One thing I like to do is go to like the second page of Google of the maps. Let's see, let's try this one. Truckee, oh, this is perfect. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm talking about, right? This is a extremely outdated website. I bet you that it's probably not even, it's not even mobile responsive. So you see how when I make the window smaller, I can't even see the entire logo? So we all know that right now, the world does most of its internet searching through a mobile device. If your website isn't even mobile responsive, let alone heinous looking, I mean, this website, horrible, right? It doesn't look good at all, extremely outdated, and you can easily point out that you could help this person, help this business owner. So let's head over to GrooveFunnels real quick. I got my account right here. I'm gonna pull each window up, and if you're a free member, you get access to 3 free templates as well. I'm gonna just pull one of those up, hit select. So these are all templates that you can use to start, right? You don't have to start from scratch if you don't want to. You can just come in here to one of these templates and adjust it to look better. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a lot of this information off this guy's website and I'm gonna add it over here in GrooveFunnels. And that way it is very relevant to him when I send it over, right? And maybe I put his phone number here at the top, but he will know that it is specifically for them, right? Let's change this button. You see how I'm doing all this? It's very easy to edit this information. I can change this button. You can drag and drop and rearrange the order of things. You don't have to be a website expert to know how to do this. So let's change the name of the button here. So if I hit the text section and I just start typing, get a free quote, and I hit update, maybe I'll change this image. So if I click on this section and I hit configure, one cool thing that I really like about this is you can search for images, stock photos, look for roofing, and these are all free licensed images that you can use in your site. Anybody that's built a website before knows that you can spend so much time looking for images to use on your site. But look at this tool. You can just pull up images directly off the internet. I have some images on my computer because I've built roofer websites before. So I'll just take this one and I'm uploading it. And then I just hit update. Very cool. So that's a little small. I could probably make this a little bigger. Now let's see what it would look like to put a background image here. Let's see, background. I'll remove this one. And then let's go ahead and upload an image and see if this might look a little better. Okay, so kind of cool, right? Let's see if we can edit some of these changes down here and make it a little more nice. So all this stuff, you guys, there's training in your members area. There's step-by-step training to show you how to do all this. I haven't even been using Groove for very long, so I don't really, I'm pretty new at it, but look at that. All this training that you have available to you, you should use. So I'm also going to maybe add some sort of a background to this section here. This whole section, I would like to give it a background. There we go. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of this image. I don't really like it. I'm gonna get rid of it. Trash can. Boom. Let's get rid of this container. Let's look at this image one more time. Let's see if we can change the alignment a little bit. Honestly, this might look a little better if we change the size and flip what we're doing here. Let's grab a new container, a new column, put it here, and then we'll just move everything to this side because I think the way that that image looks is probably better on that side. So let's do this. Move it all over there. So we're gonna need to delete these ones. It's looking a lot better. So let's change the background section. Let's add a little bit more padding to the bottom. Spacing. Right? Add a little padding to the top. I think we're starting to look a little better. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and hit save. I'm already off to a great start, right? I can change these images very quickly. Let's go to these image section, choose the image, and let's just go with some of these stock images that we have here. Let's go with this one. Let's pick another image for this one. This is another great image. So hit update. Cool. Look at this website. It's already looking a little bit better than what these guys had before. Now I can add some more text. So look at this. They're doing residential roofing. So I'll make that a main section of my site because I know that that's what they're offering. Residential and commercial roofs. Let's do new installation and re-roofs. But can you guys see how quick I'm doing all this? I mean, my very first website that I ever built, I got paid $500 to build it, and it took me a long time to figure out how to do it. I had no idea what I was doing, and I had to do all the research online, and there was no drag and drop easy builder like what I'm showing you right now. This is all stuff I had to learn, so you guys have the power to pick up something like this and create a new website and make money really quickly. So let's see, let's save it. Let's have a look here. So this is what it looks like on mobile, right? If you want to edit it in mobile, you can also edit this version in mobile as well. Very easy to do, but look how clean it's looking already, right? Residential and commercials. You can tell it's mobile responsive. If I go to an iPad, this is what it looks like on an iPad, right? This is a landscape iPad. This is a desktop. I mean, which website would you rather have, this one or this one? I mean, it's pretty clear which one is the more modern, new age looking website, right? Now, granted, this website could look a lot better, but I'm just trying to point out to you how quickly you can build this and have it set up. And now you could reach out to these guys and you could, look, they have their contact information on their website. You could call them, you could send them an email, and you could say, hey, I've just published this website. I noticed you have a website. This one is mobile responsive. You want people that are looking for you on their phone to be able to find you. I think that's pretty important. If you want, I can give you this website. It's almost done or it's already done. I'll give you a special price on it, $500, $1,000. It's a no-brainer for these types of businesses. And if they say no, then you've basically spent an hour or two to build this website, and you can take this same website and go to a different roofing company and just go down the list until you find one. What do you think about that? Give me a huge smash on the like button if you think that's a great foot in the door strategy. I think it is. I've made a lot of money doing it. I've taught people how to make money doing this as well. The other thing I want to mention is that Groove is available for free right now. You have a chance to get 3 websites set up in Groove totally free. And if you want to upgrade at a later date, you can. There's a special opportunity to upgrade right now for a limited pricing. But go ahead and click the link on the screen to go grab your free account to Groove now. It's a great platform. We're using it. We got a lot of other people that we're going to continue to show how to use it and make money with. And I hope you'll join me for the ride, because this new piece of technology is probably going to change the way a lot of websites are built and how we make money online. So I'll see you in the next video.